Hello po.
Oh, ikaw model ah.
Young artist. Ako ang gumagawa, sir. Hindi
Kayo
ako
mismo?
model. Opo.
Oh, sige, explain kayo, ma'am. Explain niyo
Yes.
about your work.
These are from Sagada.
Yes.
Our studio
Obviously,
is called
Sagada Pottery.
Yes. And we use local soils and local clay in order to produce the pieces.
Local soil and local clay.
Yes.
So,
The clay
any...
is for the body. The soils can be used when tested if it melts at 2,350 degrees, which is a stoneware temperature. It can be a glaze.
Okay.
Glaze yun yung nagpapakintang at nagbibigay kulay sa mga to.
So, where exactly sa Sagada kinukuha yung clay na yun?
Around Sagada naman, we take advantage of excavation like road widening, yung nagkukuha ng foundation ng bahay kasi hindi lahat ng lupa ay clay, hindi lahat ng clay ay pwede. So, kailangan i-test, kailangan siyang i-check kung kaya niya yung temperature na pinaglulutuan namin. Like I said, for stoneware, it's 2,350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. Pero where do you get the inspiration of the designs?
Our culture, our nature,
Okay.
yung daily activities namin.
So, advantage ba yung you're from Sagada itself? Doon ka mismo nakatira or ano ba?
Of course, syempre, first, we can check on local materials. Kasi mahal if you just buy everything from Manila, especially the freight. That's why we take advantage also nga yung possible materials na from the local soil and from the local.
So after this exhibit, paano kayo mako-contact?
Meron kami sa Sagada, nandun kami lagi. And
Kaya
we
nga.
have Facebook page and email. And
So you have a Facebook page, ang pangalan Sagada Pottery.
Oo, meron po.
And then pa nag-message kami doon, sino sasagot doon?
Ako or yung kasama ko sa studio.
Okay. Ma'am, pakilala ano ninyo ulit?
Sigrid Bangye po from Sagada Pottery, from Sagada Mountain Products.
How long have you been doing this?
24 years.
24 years. So that's how many years since you were what age yun, ma'am?
21. I was 21 when I
So
started.
21 plus 24, so that's 40.
Yes, 45.
45.
25 sa November. Kasi later of the year ako nag-start. In 2000 nag-start yung workshop this year.
So among dito sa naka-display, ma'am, ano mare-recommend nyo na pinaka-the best yung ginawa?
Lahat naman pwedeng ay the best kasi babies ko yan, igawa ko yan. But my signature pieces are the hair vessels. Yung mga yan. Meron na, pwede rin yung mga to.
Okay.
Functional and sculptural pieces. Wala lang yung ibang
Pero this one may combination ng what is this material? Rattan. Okay.
Rattan weaving.
Rattan weaving. So ano yung pinaka would you recommend na bilhin namin here?
If you want,
So tama yung sinabi mo, I want it functional and the same time
yun, yung mga
maganda siya, display, di ba?
pero centerpieces din ang mga.
Oo.
Pwede rin yung lagayan ng something. Like, yung mga to, yung mga jars are traditionally, they use it for fermenting rice wine. But you can use it for fermenting kimchi or yogurt or whatever you want to use it for. Or containers lang ng rice.
Pero how durable ito? Halimbawa, nabaksak ko, basag ba siya actually?
They are breakable.
Talaga?
Depende naman kung saan babagsak.
O, kaya nga.
Pag mataas or mababa, syempre.
Okay. Pero yung basag na yon is, halimbawa, nabitawan ko sa lababo, inuugasan ko, mababasag na ba kaya yun?
Hindi. Depende sa lababo kung yung ano siya, yung stainless, hindi naman nakakabasag yun.
Okay.
Pag hard naman, pag tiles or ano,
Kasi ang,
how high it is.
yun ang worry ko, pag ito yung gagamitin ko, baka mahirap
It's
siyang...
always in your hands.
Oo nga, di ba?
Depende sa pag-ano.
So for example, give me an estimate ng price. Ano ba ang actual price?
Ito is, I think this is 9,000. 9,000.
9,000.
Ito 10.
10,000.
Ito 8,500.
Ito ang cute.
8,500 with the cups.
With 3 cups.
Tea set.
Okay. Ito naman.
8,500. 7,500.
So medyo pricey nga lang.
Handmade ito.
Oo nga eh.
Locally made siya. And hindi molded din.
So you'll say it's worth it.
Very tedious ang process ng
Yeah, I know. Okay, yung nga eh. So, is it already, meron ka bang parang dito sa Metro Manila na
Wala. That's why you can't find na ganyan dito. Anytime, anywhere. Only in Sagada.
So, wala kang balak na to commercialize it?
Why not? But like I said, hindi kami makamass produce. All is, ito na nga lang ang dala namin ngayon.
So, is it possible na halimbawa, I have a design, papagawa ko sa'yo?
If we can make the design, yes, why not? We say yes. Pero if you send us the design and we can't make it, we will let you know.
Okay. So, what do you think will be the price for that, pag customize?
Depende. Like, depende sa size, depende sa design, how hard it is, and then...
You haven't tried it yet? Wala ba
Meron yung
employ
mga
sa inyo?
pero yung price, pag ganyan na may design siya na ito 1,600.
1,600 yan. Okay.
It's moving months. Parang tinitingnan mo na, it's for breast cancer and breastfeeding awareness.
Oo nga.
Naman.
So, yun ang pinaka, isip ko agad eh. So, it's this is breast.
Sinisilip-silip mo pa kung ano.
Siyempre, I'm trying to get the design and inspiration. Okay. Nice. Unang kita, mama. 1, 2, yan.